Hello and welcome to Reginald Ram. That's correct, my friends. Hey, this is an on your own problem, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video just to make sure you did everything correctly, my friends. Without further ado, let us move on to our scenario. Reginald Ram loves to butt heads with other rams. He rocks up onto his back legs and comes crashing down into the horns of another ram, creating 800.75 pounds of force. And there you have it right there, my friends. 875 hundredths pounds of force. Wow, that's a lot of force. Hey, if Reginald Ram crashes horns with 36 other rams, how many pounds of force will Reginald create? Hey, that means that we're going to take the 36 times that he crashes horns and we're going to multiply it by the 800.75 pounds of pressure that he creates each and every time he clashes horns. Hey, that's a lot of pressure on the brain here. I'd just be careful, my friends. You might go ditzy on me. But anyway, rams are built for that, so I guess it's okay. So, without further ado, let us move on and solve this problem. All right, so the first thing I always like to do is do my counting by the numbers, and I set it up for the smaller of the two numbers. In this case, I'll do 36, so I got my 3's and my 6's right there. Then I'm going to take this 800.75, and I will plug it in right up on top, 800.75. Bam. Next, I'm going to make two area boxes right below that. So I'll go one right there, and then I need a little more room. So I'll make a second one right below it, right there. And bam, we're ready to rock and roll. Now I'm going to take this 36 and I'm going to break it into 30 plus 6. So 30 plus 6 right there. Superb, my friends. And now I'm ready to just multiply these bad boys, right? So let us rock and roll and do that. So first thing I'm going to do is 6 times 5. Now once again, if you don't know your multiplication facts, just use your counting by the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's going to give me 30. I'll drop the 0 and carry the 3. So drop a 0 and carry the 3 right up here. Super. And now 6 times 7. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 42. Plus this 3 will give me 45. I'm going to drop the 5 and carry the 4 right over there. Then I've got 6 times 0. Well, that's 0. Plus 4 will give me 4. So I'm going to drop a 4 right there. And then I've got 6 times 0, which is 0. So I'll drop a 0. And then I've got my last one, 6 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to give me 48. I get to drop them both. So I'm going to drop the 8 and the 4, and bam, I'm all done with this area box right here. Next, I move on to the 30, and I'm going to start with the 0. 0 times any number will give me 0, so I'm going to drop that 0, and you can think of this 0 as a place value holder for the 1's column, right? Because the 6 already took care of that, right? So now I'm ready to move on to the 3. 3 times 5, and you got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to get 15. Drop your 5 and carry your 1. Drop the 5, carry the 1. Lovely. And then 3 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 21. Plus this 1 here will give me 22. So I'm going to drop the 2 and carry a 2 right there. And now I've got 3 times 0. Well, that's 0. Plus 2 is going to give me 2 down there, right? So I'm going to drop a 2. And now I've got 3 times 0, and well, that's going to be 0 right there. So I'll drop that 0. And next, my last one, I've got 3 times 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to give me 24. I get to drop the whole number, so I'll drop the 4 and the 2, and bam, I am all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do is add these bad boys up and then count my loopy doops. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So I've got right here, 0 and 0 is 0. And then you get 5 plus 5 is going to give you 10. drop the 0 and carry the 1 right there. And next you got 4 and 1 is 5, plus 2 is going to give you 7. So I'm going to drop the 7. And then you got 2 and Norton is going to give you 2. Bam! There you have it. And now I got another Norton and 8. And that's going to give you 8 as well. Super. Oh my goodness, I got another 8. 4 plus 4 is going to give me 8 as well. I love that. And then your last one, just drop that 2. Drop that 2. Bam! There you have it. Now you're all done with your addition, and now all you got to do is count your loopy doops. And remember, you count the top one here and the top one here. Well, this one doesn't have any loopy doop. I can't even say it. Any loopy doops at all. So all I got to do is just this top one here. And remember, you start from the back here, and I want to get red. So I'm going to start here at the back, and I'm going to go 1 loopy doop, 2 loopy doop. That means I'm going to start here and go 1 loopy doop, 2 loopy doop, and your decimal goes right there. So I'm going to now put my decimal there, and it's really like these 2 zeros aren't there. You don't even need to talk about them, right? So I'm going to take my comma and put it in right there. And lo and behold, my friends, 28,827 pounds of pressure, pounds of force is created by our good friend Reginald Ram, and that's a whole lot of pounds of force crashing into another brainiac head of a ram. Bam! There you have it. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way here, no worries at all, my friend. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is the fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.